Hello, in this session, I'm going to introduce you to the Interactive Citation Workstation. You have probably seen this in your syllabus and wondering what it is. So the Interactive Citation Workstation is simply a set of online exercises that will teach you citation format. Now, citation format for the law is a lot different than the citation format that you did in college or in other sorts of writing. And the Interactive Citation Workstation is going to teach you that format. Here at AVE, we oftentimes will refer to this as ICW for short. First, you should know that the format for legal citation comes from a book called the Blue Book. And the Blue Book is the #1 citation format used in the American legal system. Now, there is an alternative citation format known as Allwood, ALWD. So you may see this from time to time, the Allwood Guide. Just so you know, the Allwood Guide is not used here at AVE. We only use the Blue Book because the Blue Book is the top source for citation format in the American legal system. Now, next is the Interactive Citation Workstation. I told you it's an online format or online exercises, and you will find that in LexisNexis. In addition, though, we have requested that you purchase the Interactive Citation Workbook. So the Interactive Citation Workbook works in companion with the Interactive Citation Workstation on LexisNexis. And we have required you to purchase that because it will make your exercises so much easier, because it'll give you a little bit of background and some explanation before you actually dive in and try to do the exercises. And also the exercises are reprinted in the book too, so you can, if you would like, you could take, you can work through those in the book before you do those online. Okay. So now with that, I would like to show you the ICW or Interactive Citation Workstation right on LexisNexis. So first you will need to log into LexisNexis. So here's the main page or home page for LexisNexis. So how do you get to ICW? You see this cube at the top left, right next to the Lexis Plus icon. That cube is a spot where you can find a lot of resources in Lexis. So click that cube and you will see the third item down on the left is Interactive Citation Workstation. That is what we want. So I click that. And now I am into Interactive Citation Workstation. You will see you have Blue Book exercises in the left box, Allwood exercises in the right box. You are going to ignore the right box. Please do not go into the Allwood exercises. You will waste your time. You'll have to redo your exercises, okay? So only do the exercises in the in the Blue Book box, which is the left box, all right? But before you do any of your exercises, I want you to come over here to More, which is in the top right. Go to More, click it, and then drop down to Settings. All right, so I'm in the top right More box. Click More, drop down, click Settings. Folders, alerts, notifications, and then Settings. You're going to click Settings. And now you can set this for LexisNexis Interactive Citation Workstation. This is the second item in the top left box. So I'm in the top left box, LexisNexis Interactive Citation Workstation. I'm going to click that. And you see here it says Citation Exercise Preferences, add up to 10 instructors. You need to do this. You need to add Jane Lipnick, the LAWR coordinator, and your professor, your LAWR professor, so we can give you credit for the work that you're doing in ICW. If you do not add us in here, we cannot see that you completed the work and therefore cannot give you credit. So it's very easy to do this. So just start to type in Jane, and you'll see Jane Lipnick pops up at Ave Law. Click it and then hit add, and now you see under assigned instructor she's in there. And then you need to add your professor. So if you're with me, just start typing my name, and there you see my name pop up. Or if you're with Professor Tenzer, Professor Connolly, Professor Simpson, whoever, just type in the name, and then our address should pop up, and then you hit add. So now you should have 2 in here. Make sure Ms. Lipnick is indicated as the primary person, and then you hit save. All right, so do that first before you even attempt to do any of your exercises. Then, when you're ready to do your exercises, remember, only do the blue book exercises in the box on the left and follow your syllabus, because your syllabus will tell you which of these exercises to do. All right, you see there's a lot of them here. You are not assigned all of these exercises, okay? You are only assigned certain ones. And then let's say you're assigned number 1, case names. If that's the case, you click on it. You will get 3 attempts to get each of these exercises correct. Please, please, please follow your syllabus, because in addition to not having to do every single topic, you also, for many of these, you will not be required to do all the exercises within that topic. All right, so for example, this one has 15 individual exercises. According to your syllabus, you may not have to do all 15 of these. Maybe you're only assigned the first 10, or maybe you'll only be assigned the odd numbers. All right, and then as I said, you will get 3 attempts to enter the responses here. When you are all done, no matter what, let's say you're required to do the odd ones for this. So after you're done with number 15, the last thing you need to do is to click complete exercises. And then that will indicate to, or that will then send your or finalize your score, or at least your attempt, so we know that you completed the exercise. So every time you're going to write out your answer and then hit submit answer. And then when you're all done, you're going to do complete exercise, and that would then record that you did complete that particular exercise for case names or whatever exercise you are required to do. All right, so that is an introduction to Interactive Citation Workstation, or ICW, which teaches you how to do, or the format for the Blue Book, which is our legal citation format.